explain magnification. Wait, I am going to explain magnification. What is magnification? What is magnification? Magnification means it is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object is called magnification. Okay, friend. Now magnification means it is the ratio of height of the image or size of the image to the height of the object or size of the object is called magnification. Now, size of the object compared to the size of the image or size of the image compared to the size of the object is called magnification. It is denoted by the letter. It is denoted by the letter M. Magnification is denoted by the letter M. Mathematically, magnification is equal. Magnification equal height of the image divided by height of the object. So magnification denoted by the letter M equal height of the image HI by height of the object. This is the magnification formula. M is equal to HI by HO. Magnification is equal to HI by HO, or magnification is equal to minus V by U. Mathematically, minus V by U. Magnification equal HI by HO, or magnification is equal to minus V by U. This is magnification. One more important in 10th class. Okay, what is the magnification? Magnification means size of the image to the size of the object, or height of the image to the height of the object. Height of the image to the height of the object is called magnification. Mathematically, M is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object, or M is equal to minus V by U. This is magnification. Now, magnification derivation. M is equal to, or we know that M is equal to minus V by U, or M is equal to H I by HO. Now, magnification derivation. First of all, look at the diagram. It is concave mirror. For example, the object position in front of the concave mirror. O dash is an object. The lightness are coming from the objective which is incident on concave mirror after reflection passing through the focus. The light ray incident on P angle I is equal angular is horizontal line. This is also called normal line. So angle I is equal to angular. It is incident ray, it is reflected ray. Two reflected rays are meet at this point. So it is the image position I dash. O dash object is I dash image I. So in this diagram, P O dash one triangle. P O dash. Next P I dash. Two triangles are there. One and two. P O dash. One triangle. P O dash and P I dash. From this diagram, similar triangle P O dash and triangle P I dash. From this diagram, two similar triangles are there. Triangle P O dash, triangle P I dash. So I dash by O dash, P I by P O. The ratio of I dash by O dash is equal to the ratio of P I by P O. I dash means image I, O dash object I. P I image distance, P O object distance. So let's see O dash object height of the object, I dash height of the image. P O object distance denoted by the letter U. Next P I image distance denoted by the letter V. So I dash by O dash is equal to P I by P O. I dash means I dash image height. I dash equal height of the image denoted by the letter H. I O dash is equal height of the object H O. P I is equal image distance that is V. P O is object distance denoted by the letter V. So I dash is equal to H I. O dash is equal to H O. Next one, P I is equal to V. P O is equal to U. So according to sign convention rule, if you are taking according to sign convention rules in this diagram, object distance PO is object distance, PO object distance So the distance measured, the distance from every distance measured from pole, the distance measured from pole object distance opposite to the incident ray. The direction of incident ray direction and measuring direction opposite to the incident ray. We are taking negative value. So PO is negative. Next one, see image distance. Image distance also negative because opposite to the incident ray. The distance measured opposite to the incident ray. So negative minus. Next, object O dash is an object. Above the principal axis, we are taking positive. So positive. Image found below the principal axis, we are negative. So minus. Okay? So this value substitutes in this equation. I dash by O dash is equal to P I by PO. Okay, this value substitutes in this equation. I dash is equal to minus H I by O dash is equal to H O. P I is equal to minus V by PO is equal to minus U. So minus get cancel. Minus H I by HO is equal to V by U. Now H I by HO is equal to minus V by U. So magnification is equal to H I by HO. Height of the image to the height of the object is equal to minus V by U. Object image distance by object to distance. So M is equal to H I by HO is equal to minus V by U. See.